Hi guys, I'm Cody Jay and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today's video we are finally jumping into a challenge because it has been a minute. So recently I've been seeing a lot of people doing the full face using only a beauty sponge challenge, and this is something I've had on my list of video topics or whatever to do for quite a long time now. So I'm pretty excited to jump right into this today, and even though it's going to be a disaster, we're going to try and have fun with it. So let's get started. Okay, so before we dive into this disastrous video, I'm sure it's going to be a mess, please make sure if you're not already subscribed to my channel that you do so real quick by clicking that big red subscribe button down below. And of course, if you just love me because I'm amazing, please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. So, to get started, like I said, everything's going to be done with a beauty sponge. Now, most of these products I'm probably just going to put on the back of my hand and then just go from there. I feel like that'll contain the mess a little bit, but I can't imagine certain things like mascara, like how are you going to put mascara on? Like either we're going to skip it all together or we'll try and figure it out. So I'm just going to dab into this and then just start putting my primer all over my skin. This beauty sponge literally soaked up all that primer, so like hardly anything just went on my skin, but like oh well. Okay, so while my primer is doing its thing on my skin, I'm going to go with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow with a very, very small little beauty sponge. This is from Jeffree and Morphe, and I'm just going to dip this in. That looks gross. And I'm just gonna like kind of brush it through and just hopefully keep my brows straight enough. I just wanted to like darken them a little bit because obviously we're not gonna get precision when I'm doing this with a beauty sponge, but like we're just gonna darken them and hope for the best. Okay, so this is not doing like a ton, so we're gonna have some pretty natural brows today, which it is what it is. What's gonna make my brows look even worse in general is just the fact that this brow is naturally more arched and elongated than this one, whereas this one's kind of like chunky and thin. So I usually, when I draw them on, can make this look a little bit more similar to this, but like today, that can't happen. So let's just dive right into foundation and hope this just makes everything look better. So I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Foundation. This is the Dewy Smooth. This is in the shade Classic Ivory 120. So I'm just going to actually put this on my beauty sponge itself instead of the back of my hand. Whoa, that came out quickly. And just start going ham with it. Okay, foundation looks perfect because you can't really mess up foundation when you're using a beauty sponge. So next I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 15 Light. And this actually I'm just going to go in with a different little tiny sponge. I'm just going to apply this with the applicator right on the tip of it. And kind of go in from there. That's like hardly anything, but like, yeah, that's hard. Oh, yeah, it's good enough actually. I actually applied more than I thought it did. But we're just going to put this in all the usual spots. I just got my Botox redone a couple days ago, so these little forehead creases should be gone anytime now, thankfully. It's been a while since I've been able to get this done since, you know, quarantine, but we are ready for those wrinkles to be gone because, hello, brow bone causes me a lot of issues. So I'm ready for that to look nice again. Okay, it's powder time, and we're going to go in with Maybelline Fit Me Powder. It's a Maybelline kind of day. I'm going to take that same little sponge that I was just using and just press my powder into my skin. And I was actually reading something online the other day because I've been having a lot of issues with my under eyes lately. They're just getting very, very creased, like crazy, like real bad. And stuff online said to start with your powder on the outside of your eyes and then like go inwards because it kind of goes against the creases and is supposed to like fill them better. So we're going to try that for a little while and see if that helps because it's not looking cute these days. And we don't like that. And we like to be cute, so we're going to do whatever the internet says to do because everything on the internet is true. Now for contouring, I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. I like to use my Essence Matte Bronzer for my contouring and bronzing, but I'm definitely going to need something a bit darker just because I feel like the sponge is not going to do a good job at like picking it up. So we're just going to really heavily stamp into this and see what happens. It's probably going to be too much. I'm going to look like a clown, but like, let's see. What is that? Oh, what are we gonna do? Okay, maybe it'll blend out because that's not cute. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that picked up a lot more than I anticipated. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, and it won't like do anything. Ah! Oh my gosh. this side's better, but like, what is that? What is that? Oh my God. Oh gosh. It's just, this is a mess. Like, I mean, do we expect beauty in this video? No. We did not. So I'm gonna switch to the pink one that I was using earlier with my foundation and dip into that, and maybe it'll like blend it together because my sponge is a little bit more damp than that purple one. And maybe it'll diffuse it a little bit because, honey, not looking cute. Not today. Okay, so I've been like stamping my forehead and my face for like 3 minutes now to really try to get it to like diffuse and blend out and down, and it's like doing a decent job, but like up here on the forehead, like this little spot refuses to go away, and that's kind of annoying, but I guess we're just gonna move on. Oh, we gotta contour the nose though first. We can't skip that, so let's just okay, come on nose. Nothing. So we're gonna quickly run away from contouring now because so I'm going to quickly set my face with my setting spray, and since it has to be on a beauty sponge, we're gonna put it on the beauty sponge. So I'm just gonna spray the back of my pink one with my Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day setting spray in the scent Dreamsicle. It's so good. So I'm just gonna like stamp this. Ooh, that's a lot of moisture. Ooh, that's way too much moisture. But I'm just gonna stamp this all over my face. Now normally I like to utilize and maximize my time when I'm doing my makeup, and I'll film several videos like in one day. And although I plan on doing that today, we're gonna have to wipe this entire face off to do that because we are not gonna make any more videos with this face looking the way it is already. It's just not happening. Because on this channel, we care about quality, and although this may be a quality video, this mug is not. So let's throw some highlighter on this face because we definitely want to bring some more attention to it because it's so beautiful. So I'm going to be using my shimmering dry oil from Sol. I'm just going to give this a shake, and I'm going to put this on the back of my sponge and just see what we can do. I don't want like a ton to come out, so like we're going to be careful. Oh, there we go. So actually I'm going to, yeah, I'm going to stamp this off on a paper towel a little bit just because she pigmented. Well, it looks like it. Ooh. That's beautiful. Ooh, that is, oh my gosh. Like no one's gonna even notice that we have a disgusting face of makeup on because hello, highlight. Ooh, and that smells incredible. Oh, that's way too much. Oh, why did I put it on my forehead? Wipe it away, wipe it away. Oh, it makes me actually look really greasy on the nose, so like, too much. But I mean, it's body oil, like pretty much. What do you expect? But like, look at that though. That's beautiful. That is seriously blinding. Ooh, that is, I mean, it's a significant amount. Don't get me wrong, but like, it's beautiful. Yeah, the nose is just kind of shiny. Okay, moving on. So now we're gonna go into eyeshadow, and I'm gonna prime my lids with my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 01. Y'all know the drill. It won't come out. There we go. And we are just going to press this onto our lid. Maybe a really good eyeshadow look today will save this entire video and this entire look, but we all know that this is gonna go downhill even faster than it already has. But I'm just trying to have faith. Just trying to have faith. Okay, so for eyeshadow, you know, it's gonna be so amazing. I'm gonna be using the Kathleen Lights and ColourPop palette, So Jaded palette, and So Jaded palette. And there are a lot of beautiful colors, which means plenty of opportunity to like make this look even worse. So I'm gonna go in with the shade You're a Gem, which is like an orange right here in the middle. And I'm just gonna take that on the bottom side of my sponge, which is actually a terrible idea because now there's that highlighter all in it and I forgot. So let's turn it around and get the other end. And we're literally destroying this palette right now. So like, I hope you enjoy this video. So let's throw this on the lid. And literally nothing shows up. So let's try a smaller one now. Okay, so that orange color is not working, so we are going to try a different color, something much darker, and I'm literally ruining my shadows, because if you look at it up close, it's all disgusting now. So we're gonna try Jasper here down at the bottom, which is like a dark brown kind of maroon. So I'm gonna take that on the sponge. I'm literally destroying these shadows, so like, sorry, ColourPop. Okay, it's showing up. Now, this is not going to be a very in-depth look today because it's not gonna happen. So we're just gonna get a nice wash of color and make sure we blend, 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 because we gotta. This is literally, what do the kids say? Patchy the house? This is literally a mess. These shadows are so patchy and there's no real shape to them. I look like I just got like sucker punched in the eye. But like, do it for the views. Hopefully for the views, because Cody not getting any views lately anymore because apparently everyone hates me. But we're just gonna keep pushing through it because one of these days people will love me enough to watch my videos. Yeah, look at that. That's stunning. This is stunning. So now to really make this eyeshadow pop, I'm gonna go in with some green, I think, with some period right here. Emphasis on the t. And I'm just gonna take that same sponge because why destroy yet another one? And I'm just gonna dip into this and just put this on my lid. Ooh, okay. Wow, that really showed up a lot better than I anticipated. Now just blend it out. And, you know, if it gets underneath your eye like it just did, that's fine because it's exactly what we wanted. So now let's make sure the other eye matches because, you know, symmetry is everything in this video. If you're not doing it symmetrically, because if you're not doing it symmetrically, are you even doing it at all? No. Okay, why is this stunning? I'm just saying. So now I'm going to flip this over where there's a little flat side and I'm going to dip into that first shade and we are going to kind of throw it underneath our lashes now. Oh. Oh. Okay. 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 I wish I was not trying, but I am. And this makes it worse. Because the sponge doesn't have any, like, I don't know. It just, like, goes all over. This is disgusting. This is what it looked like the first time I ever did makeup. Nah. Beautiful. Now, what's an eyeshadow look without an inner corner highlight, you know? So let's jump in and just throw on some, what does this say? Smoky quartz down here at the bottom. And I'm just gonna take that beauty sponge and just press it in the middle. Oh. Oh. Yep. We wanted inner corner highlight, we got it. Stunning. Let's just put a little bit on the tip of the nose. Oh. Yeah. Now I think eyes look pretty decent. So we are not going to be putting on false lashes because that involves our hands, and we're not going to be putting on mascara or liner because I literally can't get close enough to those areas with this little sponge. So we're just going to go with the all natural lash look today. So we're going to be using the NYX Liquid Suede Lipstick. This is in the shade Brooklyn Thorn. So I don't know if I've ever used this one before. Maybe. What does it smell like? Ew. I don't remember that smell. It's nasty. So I'm just gonna also put this on. I'm literally destroying my beauty sponges right now. Like, I hope you enjoy this video. Like, you better give this video like 10 thumbs up if you can. Like, lots of shares, you know, because I'm literally destroying my stuff right now. And I don't have any new ones. But we're gonna wipe this off. So I'm going to take this, I'm just gonna put it on the tip of my beauty sponge and make some magic happen. We need a little bit more because, you know, it matters. Let's put a little bit more on there. Stunning. Okay, that's a beautiful lip. Now that lip really really pulled this whole look together. I can't wait to take photos later. This will be the first time that I don't take photos like out of my videos for like Instagram because we gonna lose all our followers. Okay guys, this is the final look. I know you want me to get all up close in your personal space so you can just give it a 1-2. There we go. Yes. Look at that eye. Look at that shimmer. That inner corner highlight that really goes, you know, all over that highlighter. And the greasy looking nose. Oh, that contouring is everything. I literally have a different face. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This challenge was different and I destroyed 4 beauty sponges today for this video, so I hope that you appreciate that because I don't have any more right now. So that is all I have for you guys today. If you'd like to keep up with all things Cody J, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, and Facebook, all at Cody J Artistry. And of course, if you enjoyed today's video, please please make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below. Click that big red subscribe button so you can join my YouTube family. Turn on my YouTube video post notifications by clicking that bell icon and switching it to all. And I will see you guys in the next one.